Hello everyone. Today I have a nice exponential equation for you. First of all, I would like to request to you for subscribe my channel for likes more videos. Okay, let's go. We can write 3 times 9 to the power x above equation equal 3 times 239. After that, divided by 3 both sides. 9 to the power x equal 3 to the power 239 minus 1. All know we can write 9 3 to the power 2. But as you know, AMN equal A to the power Mn. We can write 3 to the power 2x. Okay, after that you can see same basement to the both side. As a result, 2x equal to 38, x equal 119. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.